Hello. So what do we have here? So this is a tiny USB sound card. So it's a sound card on a very small footprint circuit like this. So it does have an input and an output and a USB connector. The problem is that I don't want to have this connector because I want to be able to plug it directly into a USB receptacle without having a piece of cable. So I'm planning to detach this USB from the circuit and put this other one here, so the big one, which I got from another probably old USB key, something like this. So I want to put it like this, so I will be able to plug it directly. So first I need to clean the contacts here. Then second I have to remove this. And then third I have to attach this here somehow, probably with some glue. And then I have to bridge the wires. Okay, so let's start by cleaning this. Okay. So I will clean it by using the lid-free flux dispensing pan. So it's a sort of acid, not very strong, which enables the tin alloy to be more fluid, and then it can be easily removed. But first let's put some gloves. Okay. It is always a good idea to wear protections because we have some chemicals and they are not so harmful, but it's always better to wear protections. Okay, so I put it like this, you see, just a little bit. Sometimes you need to push like this. I had the chemical hood turned on, and then I can start melting the tin with the soldering iron, and you see the little piece of wire attaching to the tip of the soldering iron. This is what I removed from here. And then I clean the tip of the soldering iron by using such kind of sponge, which has been soaked by water. So I have a bottle of water. Okay. Let's do also the same thing with the other contacts. Okay. Now the third one. And the last one. Okay, now it's clean. So let's realign this. Okay. So now this is ready. Okay, let's close this. Now I want to remove this. So what I will do, I will heat it with a hot air gun, something like this one, and I will remove it. Okay, so let's try to do this. I keep the chemical hood turned on just in case. Let's decrease the temperature. Okay. So let's remove this. Okay, so you see, I completely removed the SMD connector. And now, before I can put the other one here, I want to clean a little bit better the pads. So I will use again the fluxant. So let's turn on the chemical hood again. Let's put a little bit of fluxant, like this. And let's use the soldering iron. Okay. Let's put a little bit more. Okay. So we are done. So now, before we put the connector here and we start soldering it, we need to check the pinout.